Since the outbreak of the pandemic, unemployment rates across the United States have skyrocketed. The overall percentage of Americans who are unemployed at this time has reached its highest peak since the Great Depression. The state of Kentucky has been hit hard with those who are filing unemployment claims, with the total coming to almost 700,000. According to financial experts, Kentucky is a manufacturing state, and when large manufacturers shut down their plants, that caused our unemployment numbers to grow larger than other states.
The unemployment rate in Kentucky is primarily affected by the fact that we are very manufacturing based, particularly automotive manufacturing. So when Ford and Toyota closed their plants in April, it created a ripple effect. And here, particularly in South Central Kentucky, we have a lot of manufacturing industry that actually provides supplies to those manufacturers. So that's why we're feeling the ripple effect, and we will be more affected economically than other states.
The National Restaurant Association says they have lost 3 decades worth of jobs in just the last 2 months. The nation's eating and drinking establishments shed more than 5